The testimony of Attorney Eulalio C. Diaz III, Land Registration Authority Administration, is being offered to prove the following points. Number one, Your Honor, to prove the motive, the bias, and the bad faith of the complainants as contained in the answer of Chief Justice Renato Corona, particularly paragraphs 9 and 10 of the prefatory. Paragraph 9 asserts that the complaint is born out of bias and a predisposition to destroy him, in that it is made only to sow intrigue against him. Paragraph 10 avers that the impeachment complaint is devoid of any mature deliberation, rushed as it is, partisan and insidious, instead of being crafted based on a rational and careful debate on its merits.
What has this witness got to do with the preparation of the articles of impeachment?
Precisely, Your Honor, the witness will be able to show that at the time the verified impeachment complaint was signed and transmitted to the Honorable Impeachment Court, the complainants were still in the process of gathering titles, properties registered either under the names of Renato C. Corona and his family, and even under the names of persons Respondent Renato C. Corona does not even know of. And the witness will testify, Your Honor, as to his communication in response to the need for information as relayed to him by the lead prosecutor, Your Honor, asking him specifically whether there are titles or documents in support of the allegation or claim.
All right, proceed.
That there are properties.
Let the witness
Your Honor.
Answer questions for whatever they will be worth.
Your Honor.
Yes.
At this issue of probable cause has already been passed upon by this honorable court. It has been raised several times. And this court said that we have ruled on this. This cannot be the subject of another discussion. So we humbly submit, Your Honor, that the testimony of this witness will just be irrelevant. It will just be a waste of time of this honorable court.
Your Honor, please, may I respond?
Yes, please.
If the good counsel is done already. This is the first time, Your Honor, that the witness is coming to this honorable court. And this will also be the first time that the witness will be testifying as to the so-called list of 45 properties. This is the very same list, Your Honor, that has been bandied about by the prosecution, not only in but outside the court, Your Honor, even during the proceedings, Your Honor. So I think this is very relevant, Your Honor, to establish the motive. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Secondly, Your Honor, the testimony of the witness will show that neither 45 nor 24 nor 21 properties were issued under the name of Chief Justice Renato Corona and or that of his wife. Most of these titles listed in the so-called 45 properties are in fact cancelled, and some of the names included in this list do not even reflect the actual names in the titles.
So proceed. Do not tarry, just propound the questions.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Attorney Diaz. Okay. Maaari niyo po bang sabihin ulit yung pangalan niyo at yung posisyon niyo ngayon?
Ako po ay si Eulalio C. Diaz III. Ako po ang Administrator ng Land Registration Authority. Bilang Administrator, maaari niyo po bang sabihin sa amin ang mga responsibilidad o mga
Land
katungkulan
Registration
niyo?
Authority ng anong lugar?
Ng Republika ng Pilipinas po,
Republika ng Pilipinas.
Your Honor. As administrator, I issue decrees of registration born out of finality of judgment by the courts and the corresponding titles. I also exercise supervision and control over all RDs and personnel of the LRA. I also resolve consulta cases and appealed cases from the decisions of the different RDs. I also represent the LRA in its official functions and make official replies to correspondence addressed to the LRA, Your Honors.
I think the court can take judicial notice of the functions of an officer like this. It's by law. So,
Opo, salamat po.
Yes, sir.
Kailan po kayo nagsimula bilang administrator ng Land Registration Authority o LRA?
August 4 of 2010, Your Honor.
Maaari niyo po bang sabihin sa amin kung anong ahensya ng gobyerno napapasa ilalim ang LRA?
Ngayon po, under the Department of Justice, pero dumating ako under the DNR po. So,
Sa kasalukuyan po, anong ahensya na ang sumasaklaw sa LRA?
sinabi na niya, Department of Justice, di ba?
Yung sa ngayon po,
yes,
the
Your Honor.
Department of Justice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tungkol sa usaping impeachment laban kay Pinunong Maestrado Renato C. Corona, meron ba kayong natanggap na subpina galing sa hukumang ito?
Yes, Your Honor.
At alam nyo ba ang mga nilalaman nito at inuutos na dalhin nyo rito sa hukumang ito ngayon?
Opo, Your Honor.
Meron dito sa hawak kong subpina na may petsang March 15, 2012 na lidagdaan ng kagalang-galang na pinuno ng Senado ay pinapadala sa inyo ang una, letter dated January 10, 2012 of Attorney Eulalio C. Diaz III addressed to Representative Neil Tupas Jr. enumerating the 45 properties allegedly owned by C.J. Corona. Dinala niyo po ba ito?
Opo, Your Honor.
Maaari niyo po bang ipakita sa amin?
If that letter is signed by the chief of the prosecution panel, would the prosecution deny the veracity of that letter?
We will not deny that, Your Honor.
Okay. You present the letter.
This is signed, Your Honor, by the LRA administrator himself, Your Honor.
I just handed it over to the
Witness
defense.
handing over to the defense, Your Honor.
So this is a letter of the land registration.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Authority
That's correct, Your
to
Honor. Please.
the chief of the prosecution panel.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's an accurate observation, Your Honor. Witness handling to this representation, Your Honor, a document dated January 10, 2012, a two-page document, and on the last page thereof, the same is signed under the name Eulalio C. Diaz III, Administrator. We have pre-marked a similar document, Your Honor, as Exhibit 197, and we will just request confirmation from prosecution or the private prosecutor if the same marked document reflects faithfully the contents of the original document produced by the witness, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ginoong Diaz, Dito sa sulat na pinadala mo kay Congressman Neil C. Tupas, nakalagay dito na, babasahin ko sa wikang Ingles, na nakalagay, pursuant to your official request for information relative to real estate properties registered in the name of Renato Corona, please find enclosed herewith certified true copies of titles registered in their names. Maaari niyo po bang sabihin kung ano o papaano ang request na ginawa ni Congressman Tupas?
I have an objection, Your Honor. Counsel is deleting the word Renato Corona et al. He's deleting when he read that exhibit, Your Honor. And
All
that
right.
is very material.
I don't mind, Your Honor, even if we include the words et al, Your Honor.
Oh, sorry. All right. Proceed.
Maaari niyo po bang sabihin sa amin kung papaano niya ginawa itong kanyang request na binanggit mo dito sa liham mo sa kanya?
As head of the prosecution team, Your Honor, he called my office, from his office, and in his official capacity, as such, he made the official request, Your Honor.
Pag sinabi mo po bang called you, ito po ba ay sa telepono o tinawag kang personal?
Sa telepono po.
Kailan po kaya nangyari ito?
I suppose, Your Honor, around January 8, more so, Your Honor, more or less, Your Honor.
Ito ba ay pagkatapos may file yung articles of impeachment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya sinabi mo as head of the prosecution panel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Liban sa pagtawag niya sa inyo, wala na po ba siyang sulat o ibang komunikasyon na ginawa sa inyo?
Si Congressman Tupas po, wala na po. But other members of the prosecution team, they sent me an official formal request thereafter, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po sila? Maaari niyo po bang banggitin ng mga pangalan nila sa amin?
One is Honorable Elpidio Barsaga Jr., together with Honorable Marilyn Primicius Agabas, Your Honor, both from the prosecution team, Your Honor. The request was made January 12, Your Honor.
Anong hinihingi nila?
Same documents and other documents, Your Honor, relative to the acquisition, disposition, ownership, possession, or enjoyment of said properties, Your Honor.
Of what properties?
The documents that relates to the ownership of the Chief Justice and the family, Your Honor.
Real estate properties.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
We request, Your Honor, that we be given copy of this letter dated January 12, and we request that...
Is the prosecution denying that they request these documents? Huh?
Admitted, Your Honor.
So they admit it already. So just
we will just request for the marking, Your
just
Honor,
mark it.
because this is the first time that we're seeing this. We request that the same be marked as Exhibit 218 for the defense, Your Honor.
Will I get those documents back, Counsel? Your Honor, I'm sorry.
We can just mark the photocopy, Your Honor, later.
But they have already admitted that they have written that letter. Will you kindly show it to them so that they will read it and put it into the record that that is the same letter that they wrote?
May we ask for an oral stipulation or confirmation from my esteemed colleague, Your Honor?
Admitted, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel.
That's the same letter that was written by the members of the prosecution.
That's correct, Your
All
Honor.
right. Mark it.
Meron pa bang liham, sulat o komunikasyon sa inyo na mas maaga pa rito sa January 12, 2012?
Galing kanino po, Your Honor?
Kahit kanino na nakiusap sa inyo tungkol dito sa usaping mga titulo sa pamilya ni Renato C. Corona or Chief Justice Renato C. Corona?
Before they officially made the request, Your Honor, there were several media practitioners who requested these very documents. They called me up, they went to the office, and requested, Your Honor.
Kailan po nangyari ito?
The first, around January 4, 5, those dates, Your Honor. Before the prosecution made a formal request to my office, Your Honor.
Ngayon, sinabi mong lumiham ka kay Congressman Neil C. Tupas Jr. na may petsang January 10, 2012. Ano po ba ang mga kasama kung meron man itong liham na ito? Meron bang mga kalakip ito na dokumento?
Meron po.
Ano-ano pong klase o anong uring mga dokumento po ito?
Certified copies po ng mga titulo po.
Ito po ay certified true copies ng mga titulong binanggit ng taga-usig na nakapangalan kay Renato Corona et al.
Opo.
Maaari niyo po lang bang ipaliwanag kung anong ibig sabihin ng et al. Dito?
Ang pagkaintindi ko po ay, ang et al. Ho ay ang pamilya ni Chief Justice, specifically
Sige po, patuloy
si
niyo po.
Mrs. Corona
Opo.
and the other children and in-laws. Kasi ho, yung isang anak ko is married at nakita ho parang Corona dash Castillo po. So, in some properties po, may lumabas po na mag-asawa sila.
So, pati po mga in-laws, sinama na rin sa pag-usisa nila sa inyo?
Son-in-laws po.
Son-in-law lang?
Yun hong asawa ni
Opo.
nung isa sa mga anak ni Chief Justice po.
So, ang sinasabi niyo po yung kasapi ng pamilya at son-in-law.
Opo.
Hindi ba yung et al. Ay at iba pa?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang ibig sabihin,
Yes, Your Honor.
for Renato C. Corona at Cristina Corona at iba pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Et al.
Paglilinaw lang, pag sinabing et al. Dito, o ang ibig sabihin at iba pa, ang sinasabi nyo ay yung mga kasapi ng pamilya at yung isang son-in-law niya. Tama po ba?
Yun ho ang pagkaintindi ko, Your Honor.
Ngayon, bilang sagot dito sa tanong sa inyo o pag-usisa sa mga dokumentong ito, maaari nyo pa po bang kilalanin ang mga dokumentong ito kung ito ipapakita ko sa inyo?
Yan hong mga certified copies.
Ito pong pinadala nyo sa...
Opo.
Is there any question, issue about this? Is the prosecution denying that they have attached those documents to their letters?
We are not making an issue out of that, Your Honor.
You are not.
We are admitting, Your Honor.
You are admitting that those were attached to the letters.
That is correct, Your Honor.
They are admitting it already.
They are admitting only the attachment, Your Honor, but as to the contents, Your Honor, I will be able to show later from my questioning to the witness, Your Honor, that there are actually errors, except if the good Pañero will admit, Your Honor, some of the inaccuracies here, Your Honor.
Counsel, will you show the attachment to the prosecution attached to their letter and find out whether those are the attachment that they have attached to that letter, and then find out if they will deny that the contents were not there at the time that they attached those pieces of paper. Come on. My God, you are going into a tedious presentation of evidence. You just show the documents to the prosecution. If they will not, then I will allow you to produce the testimony of the witness. But if they will admit it, which I think common sense will say that they will admit it, then that's the end of the matter.
We have pre-marked some of the documents already, Your Honor, but we wanted to elicit some important facts, Your Honor.
Then show it to them, and then elicit the facts that you want to elicit.
Yes,
further.
please, Your Honor. If the prosecution would agree to stipulate as to these documents, Your Honor, we would gladly do so, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, we are willing to stipulate.
We have pre-marked, Your Honor, some of
You
these
show the
documents.
to them and find out whether those were the letter, that was the letter sent by them to the witness, and whether those attachments were attached to the letter that they sent to the witness.
May we ask for a couple of minutes, Your Honor, to do so, please.
Session suspended for 1 minute. Session resumed.
May I make a manifestation, Your Honor?
Yes.
We admit that those documents were attached to the letter of Attorney Diaz to Congressman Tupas, Your Honor.
So there's no question about regarding the contents. Those were the same contents of the documents you attached to the letter.
Yes,
when
Your
it was-
Honor.
All right.
With the contents.
Yo pala.
Thank you. With that
Tapos
admission,
na.
Your Honor.